A. Apple. Look, a shiny red apple popping out of the magical train. Yum, so sweet. B. Broccoli. Wow, green broccoli jumping out from the train. Healthy and fun. C. Carrot. Here comes a bright orange carrot, crunchy and magical. D. Drumstick. Check out the green drumstick popping up. Veggie power. E. Eggplant. Purple eggplant is here, magical and healthy. F. French beans. Green French beans jumping out, so fresh and fun. G. Garlic. White garlic popping out, strong and magical. H. Hot pepper. Spicy red hot pepper is here. Watch it pop. I. Iceberg lettuce. Fresh green iceberg lettuce flying out. Yum! J. Jalapeno. Green jalapeno popping out. Wow, so cool! K. Kale. Look, green kale is jumping out. Healthy magic. L. Lemon. Yellow lemon popping up, so zesty and bright. M. Mushroom. White mushroom is here, magical and fun. N. Napa cabbage. Fresh Napa cabbage popping out, veggie magic. O. Okra. Green okra popping up, yummy and fun. P. Potato. Brown potato is here, magical veggie power. Q. Quinoa sprout. Tiny green quinoa sprouts popping out, healthy magic. R. Radish. Red radish jumping out, so crunchy and fun. S. Spinach. Bright green spinach popping out, veggie power. T. Tomato. Red tomato is here, juicy and magical. U. Ulluco. Orange ulluco popping up, magical veggie fun. V. Violet carrot. Purple violet carrot jumping out, healthy and fun.
Watercress.
W. Watercress. Fresh watercress popping out, magical and green. X. Zigua. Vegetable melon. Small green zigua popping out, magical veggie surprise. Y. Yam. Brown yam is here, magical and fun. Z. Zucchini. Green zucchini popping out, yummy and magical.